Alright bushwhackers, here's the plan. Nick and I will be riding our bikes down to a freshwater creek and we'll set up our swags, make a fire, then hopefully when the moon comes out we can spear an eel or something and cook it up on the fire with some lemon. So let's see how we go. All good. All good? Yep.
I thought it was going to roll all the way out to there. Oh, I got heaps of room.
Look at that. That was from the motorbike.
I'm scared that some guy's just going to drive down.
Yeah. Alright. I reckon a fire right here. Yeah? Can we build a fire right here? Alright. We're going to build a fire right there.
If this doesn't work, we're dead.
Alright. She's looking good. Woo! We got fire. Sorry. Now that is a good fire.
Turn around for a second. No, I'm changing.
Oh, sorry.
But the plan is spear first eel we find and bring it back and cook it on this fire.
Yep.
Which will be our dinner. Wait, baby eel. It's eating a fish.
How small is it?
It's small.
Oh yeah, get him. You got him. Wait, no you didn't. He's right there. There he is. There's a catfish right there. Wait, just get the eel. There he is.
Keep it on him. It's in here.
There he is. Wait, that's a catfish.
No, it's right here. The
Yeah.
eel is in there. Keep your torch right there. It's right here.
There it is.
We haven't. Shine the torch back here. Back here.
Ready? You can do it. Do it again. You got it on the bank, on the bank. You got it. We got an eel. Put it up here, put it up here, up here, up here. Yes, we got an eel. It's tiny, but it'll have to do. Awesome.
No, there's enough.
Awesome. Good work.
We're throwing it in the coals.
No, we need the guts out.
No, I can't do it.
Alright.
You ready?
Yep. Nice.
It's hot as in here.
Yeah, make sure it's not too hot. But yeah, we'll leave that to cook. A good one you just put out.
Oh. Oh.
Yum.
Nearly ready.
That
dude.
looks delicious.
I think it's ready. It's only a tiny eel.
Maybe flip it. Just flip it.
Well, I was thinking that, but it feels like it's gonna rip him.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm seriously about to eat my apple.
Shh. Oh, that's alright. We're surviving. Cool. Oh no! Dude.
What?
We forgot the lemon.
Oh yeah. lemon.
Smack them on the rock. Right, now scrape all that crap off and
Yep.
peel the skin back.
How hard was that, Caleb? How was it?
Disgusting.
Alright, we'll just pretend we're eating the last little bit.
It was just nothing without a lemon.
Yeah.
It was